Lead scoring, with the right tools and expectations, can be a huge help to your sales and marketing departments. Are you curious which prospects are most interested in your products or services? Are you looking to increase the efficiency of your sales team? If so, Microsoft Dynamics 365 lead scoring is a great place to start. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how the user-friendly interface allows you to quickly identify your top leads by ranking them on their behaviors and attributes. The best part is, your team gets to use their industry knowledge to identify and weigh specific behaviors, and then sit back while the technology does its thing. Whether you're a smaller sales team with ambitious goals, looking to leverage machine learning technologies, or want to increase your conversion rates, lead scoring will help you get started. Let's take a look at how this could work for your organization. The first thing you will need to set up is a scoring configuration record in Settings under Scoring Configuration. Here, you can specify which tasks you would like the system to automate for you, such as sales ready, marketing qualification, and lead scores cleanup. For now, we just have automatic sales ready set to yes. Soon, we will look at our lead scoring model in outbound marketing under Scoring Models. In this scenario, our organization is leveraging Microsoft Customer Journeys to send out monthly emails to potential customers. If you want to learn more about customer journeys, check out the link in the description for a video where my colleague James walks through some exciting functionality. These emails go out once a month and include a link to an interest form on our website and a link to unsubscribe. There are several potential behaviors that these recipients could take. They range from deleting the email in the first place to opening the email, selecting the link to our website, and submitting our interest form. We want to score this behavior over time so that we can be confident about which leads are interested in our materials and products and convert these leads to opportunities for our sales team to close on. In the designer, you'll see that we have each behavior and attribute of importance scored differently, dependent on the value we see in each. A lead will receive 20 points for opening an email, 25 points for having an executive job title, 40 points for submitting the interest form on our website, and -20 for unsubscribing from our marketing list. You can get even more granular with each action property. There are options to specify the date range in which actions should be scored, the frequency in which scores should be counted, and which specific attributes the lead must meet. For example, when someone opens one of our emails, they will get 20 points each time they do so during the lifetime of the lead. Additionally, the related email that they open must be a part of the monthly email customer journey. All of these actions will then be assigned points that will be added up or subtracted away to determine the lead score. Under the Grades tab, you can define custom grades for your leads and how they are ranking. We have this set up so that leads with 0 to 31 points are cold, 31 to 60 points are warm, and 61 to 100 points are hot. If a lead meets the Sales Ready score defined in the Grades tab, it will be automatically marked as Sales Ready. For this lead scoring model, the Sales Ready score is 100, but remember, you can set up action points, the Sales Ready score, and grading criteria however you would like. For us, we wanted our leads to interact with marketing materials over time, which is why we have a higher Sales Ready score in comparison to our action scores. Let's take a look at how this works in real time. Here, we have a lead who signed up to receive marketing materials from our organization once a month. Since they just became a lead in D365, their lead score is 0. The system immediately recognizes that the lead has an executive title and their lead score is increased by 25. Then, our customer journey begins. An email is sent to their inbox, and when they open the email, their lead score automatically goes up by another 20 points. Reading through the email, they determine that they are interested enough to click the link that takes them to the marketing form on our website, but stop before scheduling a consultation, and they continue with their workday. In D365, their lead score is updated to 45. The score is reflected on the lead scoring model, as well as the lead score itself. Assuming the lead does not interact with our content until the next newsletter, the lead score will stay this way. The next month, they receive another marketing email and are reminded of their interest. They read through the email, select the link to the form, and submit it. This bumps their score to 105, beyond the Sales Ready score. Since we have automatic Sales Ready conversions turned on in D365 Marketing, the lead to opportunity business flow marks the lead as Sales Ready. Now, it is time for the seamless transition to the sales team. They can get the conversation started with someone who has already displayed significant interest in our products and services. The flexibility offered with lead scoring in D365 Marketing will allow you to scale and increase the efficiency of your sales team. Your team will know which leads to prioritize, shortening your sales cycle, and increasing your conversion rates. If you are looking to get started in D365 Marketing, check out additional resources on our blog. If you are looking for a Microsoft partner to help, get in touch using the link below.